warm welcome to a special episode of the Monday Morning Learning Podcast, where I'm actually talking to special guests, four of them from Silent Speaks. Now, warm welcome, Pawan. How are you doing today?
Hi Ravi, I'm doing good. Thank you very much for the invitation. We as a team, we would like to actually discuss our current process and have some good experience for all the listeners across the world.
Absolutely, Pawan. Thank you so much. And warm welcome to you, Robert, Simon, Elvis, and Asifa. Can you give a thumbs up, all of you, including Pawan? Just a thumbs up. Excellent. All right. Thank you. All right. Okay. So, we'll do a bit of intro of Pawan, who's the CEO. But I think I just quickly want to go through the objectives and goals of this particular podcast. It's a special episode, as you all can see. This is basically for my viewers. So the five objectives for this particular podcast are: illuminate the co-design journey, explore how deaf engineers shaped the product. The second one is highlighting the real world impact in terms of demonstrating how avatars empower users in everyday life. The third one is bridge global sign languages. So we discuss challenges in scaling from BSL to ISL, ASL, and beyond. Fourth one is on unpack tech vis-a-vis emotion. So dive into how AI conveys not just words, but meaning. And finally, we'll explore future horizons, envision real-time on-device translation and global reach. So your introduction, Pawan Madhuru is a visionary former Vodafone AI pioneer and founder and CEO of Silent Speaks, which is a UK-based startup on a mission to democratize accessibility for the deaf community. You can go on silentspeaks.io to actually check it out. And he spearheaded the development of AI-powered signing avatars that translate text, speech, and video into British Sign Language (BSL) and American Sign Language (ASL), integrating emotional nuance and dialect sensitivity to mirror human communication. Now, under his leadership, Silent Speak secured Innovate UK funding, the UK Startup for Good Award, and partnerships like Transport for London. Pawan is a champion of co-design, engaging deaf engineers, linguists, and communities to ensure tech is truly inclusive. Uh, Now, in this Monday Morning Learning podcast episode, Pawan is actually joined by his product team, and you can see them all. It's Robert, it's Elvis, and Asifa, and Simon is the interpreter for this particular episode as such. So let's move ahead. We'll look at the first theme, which is co-design with deaf engineers. The couple of questions for you, Pawan, here are: how did partnering directly with deaf software developers shape both the product and your leadership? That's number one. And how do you surface and prioritize feedback from users who sign in ISL vis-a-vis BSL?
So for the product team, when we started working with engineers, the initial objective was developing a prototype MVP. However, during this phase, we had multiple teams to be working on testing, development, design, and UAT, and also SIT. So in this journey, what we have understood is having deaf engineers was not only good for the development process to be enhanced because they come from the background of understanding the sign language, emotions, empathy, context, grammar, and also each sign language has a specific emotional journey which they understand clearly. In addition to that, from the requirement phase to design, if you go back to SIT and testing, the advantage we had was this: every sentence, every word, every sign which comes as an output is tested. I can actually take specific examples of Robert, Elvis, where they were working all day just to improve two specific signs in a particular sentence for a demo video for a largest banking customer in the world. So they would have spent 6 to 7 hours just to improve that, evaluate, and finalize, which means that along with giving the latency to be solved for the users or the enterprise customers, our team also ensures the accuracy to an extent of the meaning of the video output shouldn't be inaccurate even for 1 to 2%. So we always target both accuracy and the latency minimal in order to give the users. So the advantage we have is two levels. One is we have the same developer or engineer working testing team doing the testing. At the same time, they are reducing the effort and the timeline for the accuracy level.